Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2014 Jeep Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E1787P. 92,000 miles on this Cherokee. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. Cherokee seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Start. Large read gauges. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Auto dimming mirror, power moonroof and sunshade control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles per gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.